So you can see the screw head, and yes, they are cheap. Look what I did. I stripped it out. Easy out down inside there and remove the screw. Easy peasy, right? Wrong. As you can see, as I'm drilling, the actual head comes off the screw. So now we have a whole new problem. So I have to continue drilling out the stud of the screw until we get that brass contactor cleaned out totally. And then tap it out is my hope. And I don't have to replace this whole solenoid. I finally get it cleaned out, and as you can see, the original screw, or the screw that I got to replace the original screw, is far too small. So now we're going to have to come up with a larger screw and a different plan as far as tapping. But I'm right up against the wall of that brass, and I don't want to drill it out any more than I have.
About this.
On those wires, the white actually goes to this terminal here. The green goes to this outside small terminal on that block, and then the black goes all the way over to this far terminal. So white on the big
And it does.
All right, folks.